Bitcoin surged past $24,000 for the first time in 2 weeks, increasing 8% over the past 24 hours, likely due to a short squeeze. This percentage increase was the largest since BTC jumped 10.5% on September 9. Concerns about crypto regulation and U.S. central bank steps to tame inflation seemed to fade quickly. Traders liquidated $65 million of Bitcoin, with $60 million being short positions. Crypto-related stocks also increased, with Coinbase, Marathon Digital Holdings, and MicroStrategy all rising significantly. Markets reacted positively to the U.S. Consumer Price Index inflation numbers and the news of Paxos Binance USD tokens regulatory approval. Based on investment criteria as an investor, I would rate this article an 8 out of 10. The article provides detailed information about the current market, including the current price of Bitcoin, the percentage increase in the past 24 hours, information about short positions and liquidation, and related stocks. It also provides an analysis of potential reasons for the rally and recent news related to the stablecoin market. This case serves as an important referendum on regulation by enforcement. Carol R. Goforth defines this approach as regulation by enforcement in her work Regulation by Enforcement: Problems with the SEC's Approach to Crypto Asset Regulation. It raises critical legal questions about whether the pursuit of enforcements against innovative technologies is a legitimate use of taxpayer resources, versus an explicit delineation of policy for lack of compliance and other purported harms. To seal or unseal is a common debate in federal regulatory litigation. The SEC has moved to seal documents reflecting internal discussions and deliberations by numerous SEC officials which should remain confidential. The court has already determined that the Hinman speech documents are not subject to the deliberative process or attorney-client privileges. George Stigler's concept of regulatory capture is relevant in this case. Additionally, the notion that established firms may press for regulation to prevent market entry is also relevant. The crypto industry has called for legislation to clarify the roles of U.S. regulators, who currently number at least 8. I would rate this article an 8 out of 10 due to its thoughtful examination of the implications of the case between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs, as well as its thorough explanation of the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrency. The article offers a comprehensive analysis of the legal issues at play, including the concept of regulatory capture and the potential for regulation to limit market entry and competition. Additionally, the article provides an interesting perspective on the need for targeted regulation in the cryptocurrency space. Now Payment, a crypto payment gateway, has recently enabled payments in SHIB on NFT marketplaces. Wirex is now able to directly issue crypto-enabled debit and prepaid cards in over 40 countries. XRP is being increasingly adopted, with Fuel Hash listing it and Uphold offering cashback for users. A Telegram message of SHIB lead dev Shitoshi Kusama has suggested that the long-awaited release of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution is coming soon. Yesterday, Ripple Labs moved 450 million XRP to 3 other Ripple wallets. 2 of these wallets were sent to US-based Bittrex exchange, for a fiat equivalent of $166.3 million. I would rate this article 8 out of 10. It contains detailed and useful information regarding recent developments in the SHIB, XRP, and Ripple ecosystems. The article provides comprehensive coverage of the latest news and updates, as well as background information on the companies involved. The article also provides an overview of the current market conditions, which can be valuable for investors looking to make informed decisions. Bitcoin hit its highest in almost a week as positive economic numbers buoyed the market and traders predicted further volatility. Crypto traders acknowledged that reclaiming the $22,500 level would be a bullish sign. Investors cautioned that tighter financial conditions and a stronger US dollar index could spell trouble for the crypto rebound. I would rate this article an 8 out of 10. It provides a comprehensive look at the current state of the market, takes into account both positive and negative data, and provides analysis from both traders and analysts. However, it does not provide much in the way of concrete advice or recommendations on potential investment opportunities. Polygon has announced the launch of their Zove Mainnet beta for March 27. After a year of research, development, and testing, the testnet was launched in October. It has achieved several milestones including reducing proof generation times to 2 minutes, over 84,000 wallets, 300,000 blocks, 75,000 ZK proofs, and 5,000 smart contracts. Proof costs for a batch of transactions have also been reduced to around 6 cents. Further details will be released over the next few weeks. I would rate this article as a 9 out of 10. It provides a clear overview of the upcoming launch of the Polygon ZOV mainnet beta, details of its testnet, and the benefits of ZK technology for blockchains. It also includes a statement from Polygon co-founder Mihailo Bjelik that provides additional insight into the upcoming launch and upcoming plans. The article is thorough and provides a good overview of the technology and its potential impact on blockchains. Dan Gambardello of Crypto Capital Venture believes that the US SEC is highly unlikely to label Cardano as a security. This is because ADA's initial coin offering was organized in Japan, prohibiting US investors from participating. Gambardello draws comparisons to the LBRYV SEC case, which ruled out that secondary sales of tokens could be treated as security sales. It is the worst thing that could happen to a crypto token, as it changes the regulatory status of all of its token holders. There is only one example of a non-security status in crypto being obtained by Polkadot in 2022 after 3 years of collaboration with the SEC. I would rate this article a 9 out of 10. The author provides clear reasoning and evidence to support the claim that Cardano is highly unlikely to be labeled as a security by the US SEC. The author also provides an in-depth analysis of the implications of having a security status and references relevant cases. The only improvement that could be made is to provide more specific timeframes for the events discussed.